Hello, my name is Michael Johnson, and I am the Circulation Librarian at Shawnee State University, and today is January 9th, 2012, and I'm going to show you how to insert a video from Vimeo or YouTube into a blog post for WordPress. Now, here is our post that we've been working on about the bears in Ohio, and we have our image, and we have another image at the bottom here that, we put it in, but maybe we don't want it. Now, getting rid of an image is easy. You click on it, you get rid of the little no smoking sign, and it's gone. We're going to put a video instead because a video makes the text more dynamic and more interesting, and we're going to pull a video from two different sources. One is from Vimeo and one is from YouTube. Now, you can upload a video, but it takes up a lot of space, and WordPress doesn't want to give you that space. So the best thing to do is to embed a video. That means you're basically making a little window to another website in your website. And this allows that video to go into that window, and then you can use it. So first, let's do Vimeo. So we're going to return down and make some space, and we're going to click on Vimeo first. Now I found us a little video, and here it is. And now the way you embed a video, you have to get the code. And right here it is. You see these little carrots? That's a universal sign for embedding. And it highlights, and you click, and here's our code. So we're going to copy this code. And then we're going to go back to our blog. Now, we're going to insert it, but we can't just copy the code here. It'll come across like this because the WYSIWYG editor's smart, but it's almost too smart in this case. It's turning it into as if we just wanted the text, but we want that code in the blog. Now, the way we do that is we have to go into the HTML version. We have to leave our WYSIWYG editor, the visual version, and go into HTML. Now, I know this looks a little bit scary and a little bit different. You don't see the image anymore, but it's pretty simple. You go to where you want to put the image. We're going to put it at the bottom, and you just insert the code. So we're going to paste it in, and there it is. And then we go back to the visual, and you see this little box? That tells us that we have the video. And we're going to save our draft. And then we're going to preview it to make sure it works. Now, Vimeo is pretty high quality and it has really nice interface to use, but the problem with Vimeo is that there's not a lot of options. Here's our video. There's not that many videos on Vimeo. There's a very limited number, and we have some problems with that. So a lot of times you might have to use YouTube. And the other nice thing about YouTube is it also gives a Creative Commons feature if someone wants to upload it that way. So in YouTube, here's the video we're going to use. Now, how do we get to this video? Now, first run the video, and you have to click on Share. Now, Vimeo is nice, little embed button, but YouTube, you click on Share, and you click on Embed, and then the Embed gives you several options. You can do different sizes, or you can do custom size. Vimeo only lets you do the standard size, but we're going to do the standard size. So we're going to copy this text. We're going to go back to our blog. We're going to go back to the HTML version. And we're going to delete the Vimeo text here that it put in. And we're going to copy in the YouTube. I'm going to paste it in. And we're going to go back to visual. We have our little box there again. We're going to save the draft. And then we're going to preview it. And now we have our YouTube video here. And it's loaded in perfectly fine. Now, as I said, they have their advantages and disadvantages, but they're both pretty easy to load in. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope this has been helpful.